If you're on the hunt for a versatile kitchen tool that combines power, convenience, and durability, this Peach Street Powerful Immersion Blender is a gadget worth considering. With a 500-watt motor, turbo mode, and a user-friendly design, this hand blender is perfect for tackling a variety of cooking tasks, from making smoothies and purees to blending soups and baby food. In this detailed review, we'll explore the features, performance, and overall value of the Peach Street Immersion Blender, giving you a comprehensive understanding of why it might be the perfect addition to your kitchen. The first thing you'll notice about this Peach Street Immersion Blender is its sleek and ergonomic design. The slim, lightweight body is crafted from durable metal, giving it a sturdy feel without being overly heavy. This thoughtful design makes it easy to handle and maneuver, whether you're blending in a deep pot, a mixing bowl, or directly in a storage container. The blender features a detachable base, which is a major plus for those who value convenience. This allows you to easily detach the blending shaft from the motor unit for quick and hassle-free cleaning. The 304 stainless steel blades are dishwasher safe, making cleanup even more convenient. However, it's important to note that the motorized portion of the blender should never be immersed in water or placed in the dishwasher. The Peach Street Immersion Blender is also designed with user comfort in mind. The slim base fits comfortably in your hand, providing a secure grip during use. This is particularly important when blending hot liquids or working with thicker mixtures, as it ensures better control and reduces the risk of spills. When it comes to performance, the Peach Street Immersion Blender doesn't disappoint. 500-watt motor provides plenty of power for a wide range of tasks, from blending smoothies and soups, pureeing baby food, and mixing batters. The motor's power is complemented by the blender's 4 sharp stainless steel blades, which are designed to cut through even the toughest ingredients with ease. One of the standout features of this blender is the turbo mode. By pressing the turbo button, you can instantly boost the blender's speed and power, making it easier to blend tougher ingredients, frozen fruits, or hard vegetable. This feature is particularly useful when you're short on time or need to achieve a smoother consistency quickly. Peach Street Blender's performance is also characterized by its versatility. Whether you're blending a silky smooth soup, creating a thick and creamy smoothie, or whipping up a light and airy puree, this blender delivers consistent and reliable results. The variable speed settings allow you to adjust the blending speed to suit the task at hand, giving you more control over the texture and consistency of your blends. One of the key selling points of the Peach Street Immersion Blender is its ease of use. The intuitive design and straightforward controls make it accessible even for those who are new to immersion blenders. The blender's slim profile and ergonomic handle make it easy to hold and operate, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. The detachable base is another feature that enhances the blender's usability. After you're done blending, simply twist off the blending shaft and rinse it under running water or place it in the dishwasher for easy cleaning. This detachable design also makes the blender easier to store, as you can separate the motor unit from the shaft and tuck them away neatly in a drawer or cabinet. The blender's compact size also makes it a great choice for smaller kitchens or for those who prefer not to clutter their countertops with bulky appliances. Despite its powerful motor, Peach Street Immersion Blender is lightweight and portable, making it easy to move around the kitchen or take with you when traveling. The Peach Street Immersion Blender is more than just a simple blending tool. It's a versatile kitchen gadget that can handle a wide range of tasks. Here are some of the key uses for this powerful immersion blender. 1. Smoothies and shakes. The 500-watt motor and sharp blades make quick work of blending fruits, vegetables, and ice into smooth, creamy smoothies and shakes. Whether you're making a post-workout protein shake or a refreshing fruit smoothie, this blender delivers consistent results every time. 2. Soups and sauces. The Peach Street Blender is perfect for blending soups and sauces directly in the pot, saving you the hassle of transferring hot liquids to a countertop blender. The ergonomic design allows you to blend right in the cooking vessel, reducing the risk of spills and making cleanup easier. 3. Purees and baby food. If you're a parent, you'll appreciate the blender's ability to create smooth, lump-free purees for your little one. The turbo mode is particularly useful for breaking down tougher ingredients, ensuring a smooth texture that's easy for babies to eat. 4. Batters and doughs. The blender's powerful motor and sharp blades can also be used to mix batters and doughs, pancakes, waffles, and other baked goods. The adjustable speed settings allow you to achieve the perfect consistency for your recipes. 5. Whipped cream and emulsions. Peach Street Blender is also great for whipping cream, making mayonnaise, and creating emulsions for salad dressings and sauces. The variable speed settings give you precise control over the blending process, allowing you to achieve the desired texture. Safety is a key consideration when using any kitchen appliance, and the Peach Street Immersion Blender is designed with this in mind. The blender features a sturdy metal construction that ensures durability and longevity, even with regular use. The stainless steel blades are resistant to rust and corrosion, ensuring they remain sharp and effective over time. The blender also features built-in safety mechanisms to prevent accidents. The detachable base ensures that the blades are securely attached during use, reducing the risk of the blade detaching while blending. The motor unit is designed to prevent overheating, even during extended use, providing you with peace of mind while using the blender. In terms of durability, the Peach Street Blender is built to withstand the rigors of daily use. The high-quality materials and robust construction ensure that this blender will be a reliable kitchen companion for years to come. The manufacturer also offers customer support and warranty options, providing added assurance of the blender's quality and longevity. The Peach Street Powerful Immersion Blender is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable, versatile, and easy-to-use hand blender. Here are some of the key reasons to consider this blender for your kitchen. 1. Powerful motor. 500-watt motor provides ample power for a wide range of blending tasks, from smoothies and soups to purees and batters. 2. Turbo mode. The turbo button gives you an instant boost of power, making it easier to blend tough ingredients and achieve smooth, consistent results. 3. Ergonomic design. The slim, lightweight design makes the blender comfortable to hold and easy to maneuver, even when blending large quantities or tough ingredients. 4. Easy to clean. The detachable base and dishwasher-safe blades make cleanup a breeze, while the compact size makes the blender easy to store. 5. Durable construction. Crafted from high-quality metal and stainless steel, the blender is built to last, providing reliable performance for years to come. In conclusion, the Peach Street Powerful Immersion Blender is a versatile and powerful tool that can simplify your kitchen tasks and enhance your cooking experience. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this blender offers the performance, convenience, and durability you need to tackle a wide range of recipes with ease. With its powerful motor, turbo mode, ergonomic design, and easy-to-clean features, the Peach Street Blender is a practical and reliable addition to any kitchen. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and discover how this blender will elevate your cooking game. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.